Hello guys, in this video we are going to show how to show linear progress indicator inside the Flutter application. So for this we will use the linear progress indicator. So we have two different types of progress indicators. One is determinate progress indicator and other is indeterminate progress indicator. So indeterminate progress means we can't show any status of the progress. It will show the progress continuously. So determinate progress indicator is nothing but it will show the status of the progress on the progress bar. So suppose if we are going to download any file or anything, we will show the download status. So let's say here I am just showing the progress with making some timer. So let's say I am pressing this download file, it will start the downloading of the file and it will show the download process. No, let's see, here it is showing the downloading status 0 1 like this. Thank you guys.